Hello, this is Dr. Richard Price.
And this is Dr. Jed Best, and I want to share with you a novel technique that I have found invaluable in treating children for many years.
We're going to show you how to save time by speeding up the setting of your glass ionomer restorations. Using a curing light, we're going to fill a 6mm deep cavity in one increment. Here we can see the cavity being filled. And now we're going to sculpt it. This takes about 30 seconds from start to finish. And now we're going to expose it to light for 60 seconds. We're using LED curing light, and I've sped things up just so you don't have to waste your time watching this. In this particular dentiform, we can take the tooth out, and I can open the tooth up. As you can see, the restoration is hard from top to bottom. It's not fully set yet, but it's certainly hard. Here we can see me touching it, scraping it. It's hard. I'm now going to repeat this, allowing the glass ionomer to set in a self-cure fashion. We're going to use the same 6mm deep cavity. Here we can see filling the cavity in one increment again. And now we're going to sculpt it, contour it. Again, the whole process is going to take about 30 seconds. Now I've sped this up 8 times speed. Again, so you don't have to waste your time watching it. I'm checking it now at 1 minute 40 seconds, and it's still very soft. Remember, that's the same time as the entire procedure took when light curing. Still soft at 2 minutes 10. Sped it up again. At about 3 minutes 10 seconds, it's hard at the top. Giving it a little bit more time here. I'm going to take the tooth out now. And when I open it up, you can see it's still soft on the inside and on the bottom. And in fact, the entire restoration just breaks. And remember, that's at 3 minutes 50 seconds from the beginning. So by using the curing light, you can save 2 minutes of clinical time.
Thank you for watching, and try this out with the curing light that you have in your office.